Hello guys, good evening from here. We are here to drop this apology video telling everyone to forgive us for everything we've done, for the video that has been going viral. We are here to say a very big sorry, that you guys should find a place in your hearts and forgive us, and especially Papa OPM Worldwide, the Daddy Gio,
our daddy,
Omega Power Ministry,
our daddy.
We are here to say a very big sorry to him. We know that the video touched him really well, but we are here to say sorry, that he should find a place in his heart and forgive us. And I promise, I promise that the video won't repeat itself again.
Good evening, guys. From this place, I think this is 6 o'clock. Yeah, this is 7 o'clock. Yeah. Good evening, guys. Please, we're really